It's Ed again. Is polyiso continuous insulation a popular choice for Rainscreen assemblies? Answer in a nutshell, yes. Continuous insulation is a key element of today's Rainscreen assemblies. This exterior insulation layer is intended to stop energy loss and reduce the thermal bridging effects of framing, such as steel studs. So if your goal is to design more energy-efficient Rainscreens, your choice of insulation should match this goal. Polyiso continuous insulation delivers significantly more R value per inch when compared to mineral wool board and XPS insulation. With a manufacturing network that spans coast to coast, polyiso is widely available in coated glass or foil-faced options, manufactured to meet the needs of your specific project. When you need fire performance to meet the rigorous NFPA 285 test standard, polyiso delivers and provides you with an expansive number of possible assembly configurations. Polyiso continuous insulation can further enhance your wall design by serving as the water and air control layer. Polyiso, so versatile, so widely used, so yes, for Rainscreens.